Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. There's no place to hide as I step inside the room. Dr. Doom, prepare for the boom. Bam! Oh man, I slam. Damn, I scream like Tarzan. I be tossing and forcing, my style is awesome. I'm causing more family food than Richard Dawson. And the survey said you're dead. And you flag guillotine chops off your fucking head. Mister, who is that? Hey yo, the who is back? Making niggas go boom boom like a super cat. Me fear no one. Oh no, here comes the Wu-Tang Shogun. Kill to the eardrum.
The needles in the groove, I get screwed and I'm forced to fuck it up. My style carries like the big buck truck. Cross the clear blue yonder. See, they're trying to see us slam tracks like quarterback sacks from LG. Now I'm trying to test the rebel INS. That's just the work I earth slam your mess. Cause I bake the cake, then take the cake and eat it too with my crew while we at state to state. And if you want beef, then bring the buckets. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. Came from the motherfucking song that's busted. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with.
Niggas is sleepy hollow. In fact, on my heart, I can follow. I don't for dolo. Road guard coming on through. Niggas is like, oh my god, not you. Got shot. I'm the nigga slice of the pumpkin, the pie. Rather do or die. Get my flavor. Coming from the rhythm with the show for the razor. Move and we reminisce. True like nature. Move a rubber. Niggas is like glue. Whatever you say from Swedish. It's the real.
Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with.